welcome to our very first episode
of Sane Mods.
So in this episode we're going to be changing a head unit in a VX Commodore to an aftermarket one. Let's go get it in. Alright, so we're finding our way to Super Cheap Auto to get the parts that we need for the head unit so we can finish this install. So we're going to be looking for the brackets, the wiring harness, and yeah, so yeah, that's it. Yep. Alright, so this is the head unit that we're going to be installing, and these are the, if you have this, you'll need these, which will connect to your car and the head unit.
If you want the steering wheel controls, you'll have to buy the $99 one.
Yeah, fuck that, fuck that. So we made these earlier. These are from coat hanger. We need to do this. Put them in here as far as you can, and it'll clip onto it, and it should just pull straight out like that.
Like so. Easy as.
So what you do now is you unplug this here, and you unplug this. Doesn't want to come out. And that's how you get the old head unit out. So what you do now is you open up these. Alright, so this part is where you connect it up to the car. So what you do, you connect these two up here.
Like so.
And you get this part here and you connect it to the back.
Told you it wasn't
easy. Alright, so now you put it in. Oh no, right, the first time. Then you get this part here, you put that in there. Then you hide all this in here and you fucking put it in. And that's pretty much it.
We just don't have the double din out part, the framework bit yet.